Hello everyone. Today, what I'm going to be doing is a little skit for you guys. And this skit is addicted to slime. So I'm not addicted to slime, I just really like slime. And I make it a lot and I do slime videos. So yeah, this is a skit with my baby alive, Allison, Emma. Sorry, I got distracted by my dog's cuteness. Anyways, let's get back to the subject here. So yeah, I'm doing a little skit. Like I said, addicted to slime with my baby alive, Allison, Emma. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and let's get started. So I forgot to say, this is like a TLC thing, like where they like interview the children. I don't know, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm Alice. I'm Emma. Mom's did to slime. Addicted. She plays with it every single second of her life. And if she doesn't, you don't want to see her angry. It's not pretty. I'm telling you, it is not pretty. This slime is so good, and like stretchy and soft. So stress relieving. I'm tired of playing Legos. I'm gonna go see what Alice is up to and see if she wants to play with me. Alice, will you play with me, please? Rid of all of their slimes. Yes, I'm talking to you. Do you even hear me? What? Oh, sorry, I'm trying to fix Mommy. This slime craze has really gotten on my nerves. Say that again. Anyways, can you play with me, please? We're trying to fix Mom, okay? Go ask Mom. She may just not be playing with slime for this second, okay? Go and see. Okay. So relaxing. Mommy, will you play with me, please? Oh, honey, I can't right now. I'm really sorry. I'm playing with my slime, okay? But I will later, okay? Got me? Sorry, guys. Just painted my stupid nail. Sorry, sweetie. I'm really busy right now playing with my slime, but I will later. I may. I don't know. But I'm playing with my slime right now, so I'll see you in a minute. You have to go for right now, okay? Okay? Okay, Mommy. Okay, I love you, though. So I'll play with you in a little bit, okay? Okay. Okay. Go play with Alice or something. Slime is just so amazing. So addicted, she has to bring her slime with her on trips. And sometimes she even forgets us. I'm not even joking. I have slime, I'll bring this slime, so with this one, and this red one. That'll be good, okay. So I'll bring those. I have the nail polish that I'm going to use to paint my nails up there. My body lotion right here. My shampoo. Right. Oh, I mean hand sanitizer. Yep. I need my lip glosses if I get chapped. And then we need sunglasses. Whoa, be hot. And I think my mom already has some stuff packed in my clothes packed in the car, so this is good right here. Okay, so Do I need anything else? I don't think so. Okay, I'm good. Forgot my babies. Okay, that was embarrassing. Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay. I have you. I didn't really forget. I'm sorry. Just joking with you. Nope. Sometimes when she's ordering stuff for us, she has to get like 3 or 4 glue bottles or any slime stuff that she can get her hands on. Let's see here. Emma needs a new bottle, and then Alice does need a new pacifier. So let's see here. Pacifier. Okay. This one's perfect. Okay. It's a real one, but that'll work. There we go. Now we need a new bottle for Emma. Whoa, no, that's too big. That one's perfect. Okay. Now let's see if they have any slime kits. I've been so desperate for one. I cannot find them anywhere, not even at Michael's. Okay. I'll get the mermaid and the unicorn one. And the poop one. This sounds perfect. Okay, let's see here. Get rid of all of their. Are we going? Are we going? Cut it! Cut! Anyways, she's so addicted that she even draws on paper. Like, on paper, guys. She draws out slime. Slime, I'm telling you. How do you even draw slime? I don't get it. Let's see. What slime am I going to draw today? I think I'm just going to do a turquoise one. No really special. Just do it just like a blob. Not coiled. Do a blob, color it in, label it. Slime. That didn't take long. Slime. I'm just going to name it turquoise. I don't even know how to spell turquoise. But this is the best it's going to get. And there we go. My slime drawing. Perfect. There we go. That's how you draw slime. Sometimes she uses slime to decorate things. It is just weird. Okay, let's see. This slime, let's see. This one's good. If you can just poke it for nothing or anything, this would look pretty right here. I'll leave that right here. And this birthday cake slime. This would look pretty over here by my little Zoomer dog. It's pretty in peach slime. Right up here. Okay, this is perfect. This is so pretty. It's Midnight Moon and this flow. So pretty right here. Yes. And this one right up here. This is so pretty. Thank you for watching this skit. And sorry if you see it's dark outside right now. I just stopped filming, and I didn't stop filming because I fell asleep. Then I woke up, and I was like, I have to film this video. So, yeah, but I filmed the rest of it. So that was 5. Oh, that wasn't 5. Sorry. Addicted to slime. I thought we were doing like addicted, like the 5 addicted to slime. Sorry, I got mixed up. We're just doing addicted to slime. So this was just a skit. I was meaning to do like a questioner, like when did your mom start this addiction, but I think it was just really good already. So I put a lot of time into this video. It may not look like it, but I did because, yeah, it's not easy making these videos, but I do it for you guys, and it's fun making videos. So yeah, anyways, make sure you like and subscribe to Slimy Squishy's Toys More. Make sure you tap my notification bell so you do not miss a video like this one. Bye everyone, slime on and squish on. Bye.